let's talk about some attributes of polynomials. First of all, a polynomial in standard form is written p of x is a sub n, x to the n, plus a sub n minus 1, x to the n minus 1, plus dot dot dot, plus a1, x plus a naught. You want to arrange them in descending order of power. So you take your highest power and go on down until you have x to the 0 or just 1. There are a couple of ways to name polynomials. The first way is to use the degree. Now the degree refers to the highest power in your polynomial. So if the degree is 0, this would be like y equals a x to the 0 or just a. This is just a constant. If your highest power is 1, then that's a line. Many of you recognize y is mx plus b. This is the form a linear equation will be in, while a quadratic has a highest power of 2. A cubic has the highest power of 3. A quartic has highest power of 4. Quintic has degree 5. And after that, we're done with naming them. Specific names. We just call them polynomials of degree. So if it's a polynomial of degree 6, if it's y equals x to the 7th, that would be polynomial of degree 7, etc. Another way we name polynomials is by the number of terms. If you only have one term, that's a monomial. It doesn't matter what that power is. Y equals x to the 17 is a monomial. A binomial has 2 terms. Trinomials have 3 terms. And beyond that, we name it by the number of terms. Polynomial of 4 terms, polynomial of 5 terms, etc. So let's look at a couple of examples here. The first thing you want to do when you're given a polynomial is write it in standard form. So you want to come and look for the highest power, and that's x to the 4th. Okay, I don't have any cube terms. I have 2 x squared terms, so I'm going to combine those. I have a linear term. And then I'm left with the minus 12. So for this polynomial, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So this is a polynomial of degree 4 when I name it based on the number of terms. Now, if I name it based on its highest power, this would be a quartic polynomial. Now let's look at this one right here. You want to always put it in standard form. This one is a polynomial that has 3 terms. So that makes it a trinomial based on the number of terms. And the highest power is 2, so it's a quadratic.